My name is Abdullah Omar, Head of Network and Infrastructure for Megamite Company. Now the IT is playing important role in SGH hospitals in our group actually, unlike before. Everything is digitalized now. Our early was physical with legacy and limited hardware and different virtualized environment of different vendors and not centralized. In addition, each platform was using different backup solutions. So the PM cluster were not centralized, backup integration was not optimized, had limited performance and scalability. Moving VM from one infrastructure to other was almost impossible. No central monitoring for the cluster. At the end, all these were affected badly on the business process and needs. We started with the POC, has been requested to test the hardware features between the Nutanix and the other competitors. Also evaluate the backup solution and the integration because we had a lot of issues. And finally, also we reviewed the SLA for the software, the hardware, and the physical on-site support, which is very important was for us. And at the end, we found that Nutanix is the best comparing all these three factors against the other competitors. Our deployment, 5 clusters spanning across 5 different locations in the kingdom, including the backup solution. And it was, like 5 business days or less. We noted that it's become very easy to us, more reliable, and the performance, scalability, the availability. Also, it's become more easy for the staff to manage these things from one dashboard. As I mentioned before, that we don't have centralized to manage different virtual environment and different from different vendors. But now all the solutions in one box, so it becomes very easy for us to manage. We were doing this exercise that how much we will save while using the HCI, the hyperconverged, comparing to the normal hardware. And yes, we were saving a lot of money, especially for the storage and for the RAM. We saved maybe like 30%, 40%. Also, we tested actually when we were doing the POC, the demo. We tested and we compared with our existing backup solution, and it was fast in restoring the database, our database for the Oracle, SQL, and Exchange system. So it's very fast. I mean, the new solutions or the backup solutions from Nutanix, which is the Hypo. We did the test also for the same amount of data. We were spending or taking 4 hours with our X backup system. Now it takes like 1 hour. This is the main reason actually we're selecting the Nutanix, as it is all in one box. And we have, I believe that we have a good team from Nutanix. They are supporting us whenever we need anything. We tested them actually. We had some cases here, and they were really up to the mark, really, to be honest. This is the most important tool for us in order to offer the digital services to our customers and remote services. All these things depends on the infrastructure. How is your infrastructure is ready to provide these services? And since we install and set up the Nutanix, will become ready for any kind of digital services with any vendors to install any kind of services on a stable infrastructure. So yes, it supports us a lot during our digital transformation plan. We have big digital transformation plan, and also during the pandemic of Corona, it was supporting us a lot to provide all the remote services to our clients.